Now that the 350Z is gone, a lot of you guys have been asking me, what is the next car? What are you getting next? Well, wait no longer. Here it is. Check it out. This is a 93 Mazda RX-7. This is the next project. Just like my other RX-7, it's a 93 as well. However, this one's quite a little bit different. First and foremost, it's got the rotary engine in it. Also, it's a hardtop. So it's like a R1 or R2, I gotta figure that out. With the hardtop, no sunroof, so there's a lot more clearance for my head, which is probably my favorite thing about this car. Actually, second favorite thing. My favorite thing about this car is that it is the rotary engine, so that means it does have two turbos, twin turbos, and turbo sounds are always fun. Okay, so bear in mind this is not like show car quality, but all the stuff that matters is there and in good shape. Let me give you a shot from the back. There it is, 1.3 liter rotary engine. It's a 2-rotor engine, and it is a twin turbo car. It's been so many years since I've had a turbo car. I am very excited about this car. It's just so fun to drive. Yes, you'll have more maintenance issues and reliability, but that's a trade-off that I'm willing to give to put a smile on my face every time I drive the car. You know, the NA, LS1, LS3 cars that I have, yes, the VQ and the 350Z as well, like, yes, they're reliable, but no boost. Turbo noises, blow-off valves, spooling, it's just that like gradual acceleration, that a little bit of lag, oh, it's just so fun. Puts a huge smile on my face, so I'm very excited about that. So as of right now, mods that I know of is obviously this intercooler situation. It's not stock. Looks like it does have a Greddy throttle body intake. This thick intercooler right here. I think everything else is pretty stock engine-wise. I was told it was on lowering springs. Once I get the car outside, you guys can see the whole car in a better shot. And then also the tail lights. It has 99 spec tail lights. This is the very sought after taillights. And so I'm very happy to have them. The rear end, it looks very, very close to a Ford Taurus, which is not good looking, but for some reason, Mazda did it right. Super fresh, 99 spec taillights. Hey, another thing that I'm very excited about with this car, pop-up headlights. Here we go. Look at those. So 90s, I love it. You know, for the longest time, I actually didn't like pop-up headlights. These have really grown on me, and it's definitely a vibe. Looks so happy to see me. Actually, it looks kind of sad from this angle. Okay, so, you know, again, like I said, it's not a show car quality. It's gonna be a project. Got some surface rust here and there, but no like actual real rust. Paint, I don't know. A lot of clear coat fading, but it's a 30-year-old car. What do you expect? Let's take a look at the interior. All stock. I love the gauge cluster on FDs. The giant RPM gauge in the middle, all the way to 8,000 RPM. So good. It does have a little turbo timer. It'll shut off after 10 seconds once you park the car. The steering wheel feels massive. It's like a bus steering wheel in here. But what I really like about this is the all black interior and no sunroof. Slick top, no sunroof, super desired. I really like this interior, all black, none of that peanut butter, leather, just black and cloth. I love cloth seats. They're not slippery, they don't crack, they look better. They're not hot in the summer and freezing in the winters. And the best part, no slouching. Just tons of headroom, well not tons, but enough. I don't have to slouch, I can sit comfortably and naturally in here, which is a huge plus. So that's the main reason these slick tops are desirable, just because of the headroom, and then especially if you want to do a track day, you can actually fit a helmet. And it's also lighter, so it's just a win-win all the way around if you get a slick top. No sunroof. One thing I did notice about the shifter though, it is quite a long throw. Just not used to it, but you know, it works. All right, enough of all that. Let's go for a drive so you guys can hear the turbos, the rotary engine. And also I'm gonna swing by Mark's house to get a fire extinguisher. Being like 30 years old now, because it's twin turbo, it gets so hot under there. The rubber lines will get brittle and they'll break, and then you could potentially have a fuel leak and catch fire. What up, bro?
What up, bro? I mean, overall, it looks like they caught the fender because they didn't.
And this right here?
That's what to expect with a red car, number one. I mean,
Yeah.
for being red, this is in really good condition. They can,
Yep.
I mean, that's not too bad. They can fix that. It's just a little, like you said, massaging. But
Yeah.
otherwise, dude, this is sick. Definitely wouldn't drive these in the... Yep. Man, this has been sitting for a while. What do you call this? A 13B, right?
Yep, 13B.
I know nothing about Mazda, but is this twin turboed?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's why there's two. Okay, there's two.
Yeah, twin turbo. Stock.
All right. So 2 intakes, or 2 suction for the turbos, and then 2 outs. Well, those
after
turn into
it.
1, and then go into
And then
this.
it feeds into the intake.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Let's just make that clear. I know nothing about Mazda, so I sound like an idiot when I talk. Whoa, what's that? All right, so he's been mounting it right about there.
That's perfect fitment, actually.
Yep. I think that's what that bracket's definitely
it's
made
definitely
for. Is
made for
2.5.
this,
The
yeah.
5 wouldn't fit.
What do you think, James?
That's what you're
Thing's sick.
I don't know if I've ever sat in an RC.
Start her up.
Feels like I'm ready to go somewhere. Yeah. So different.
It's like, it sounds like some alien technology.
I feel like that's how an electric car should have sounded. Or a DeLorean. Yeah.
So quiet and so smooth.
First time in an FD, which is crazy because I've never ridden your LS powered one.
We'll make that happen sometime.
Yeah.
Ready for some boost?
Oh, I was not prepared for that.
Not bad for stock, right?
No, it's not. For a rotary, yeah.
For stock, for 1.3 liters.
God damn.
But it's fun because you can hear the turbos and stuff. Here.
Yeah, this thing's hella fun.
Not obnoxiously loud or anything, you know? It's like under the radar, kind of, you know?
Yeah.
What do you think, Mark?